I really love how this project turned out, and that now I can remote control the the lens, and this is really great. I mean, just being able to control it, you know, like from the distance, the lens. This is also cool. It's amazing. So now, what I want, after I manage to control the lens, I would love to be able to control the stop and recording of the Canon EOSM. Because let's say, for example, if I am, in front of the camera and I'm focusing on myself with this system, I'm quite far away because this is a 50 millimeter maximum aperture 1.7, but 50 millimeter with the crop mode, we are around 75 millimeter, 80. So that's quite far away from this lens, from the camera. But with this, we can control the start and stop recording. Now, obviously, this is an infrared technology. So that means, for example, this is just a bad idea because the infrared has no visibility. So if I'm trying like this, start, stop, well, it will not allow me. So the next project is this system to remain here somewhere. For example, I can put it here, right? Install it here, then move this so that it's in contact, and using a system like for the lens right here, right here, like for the lens. So I can install this system together somewhere here, and then I can control with this one 200 meters far away, start and stop recording remotely the same way. That's the next project, and it is possible as this remote control is working remotely. I can move it, right? The same way this one, I should be able to stop and start the video recording. What I have to do in this system, make this button to be a permanent contact, and then the DC current coming from the battery to be able to feed throughout this system. So here I will, connect. Let me just take out these two wires. I will connect with the battery, and these two will feed the system. So when I will action the start button, then the current will pass throughout the system and will send an infrared signal to the camera. And this way it will start. Then if I want to stop again, I will push the button, will send the current that will send the message via infrared, and it will stop the recording. This will be a really fun project also. And this way, with this one, I will be able to focus, right? And with this one, with the other one, I will be able to stop and start recording. let's this project also to begin. Let's see how this one actually is built. So let me just try to take down this shield, this layer. Here we go. Okay, so this is the button. So these two, I will have to close this circuit down, right? And let's just see how can we do this. And then secondly, let's just take this one apart quickly. Okay, like this one. One down. Second down. Third down. And fourth down. Okay. So for this one, as I told you, this circuit, I believe so. I have to close it down, right? So this I have to make it permanent circuit, right? And then the current will be like this. So this two, one will come here and here, and then this will go separate there. And this one, I have to make it a little bit longer because I will have to find some kind of, so I have to find some kind of solution like this to be always there. Yeah. So for right now, I just see that it is possible to do it because, so it's nothing complicated. As I told you, these two will replace the battery because this will be the current feed. These two will go and power the system. And then here, this button, which was this one, right? That one, I will make it a permanent circuit. So I will close it down. I will make it a permanent contact, always in contact. So now the start and stop will be by feeding the current and stop the current. So really interesting if this one will work, but as I feel, I think it will. Yeah, I think it will. We just have to see if it's marked the plus and minus, and yeah, I have to figure it out. But when I have the full brainstorm solution, I will get back to you and show you how I did it. But this is for now the project, and I will continue find a proper solution for this one.